A question I get asked often is, Booya, ano yung favorite mascara mo? Kaya in this video, I'm gonna be sharing my 5 worst to best mascara experiences. So the first product that I have here is from Avon, and this is their True Color 5-in-1 Lash Genius Mascara. It contains 10 grams of product, and if I got it correctly, it's for 399 pesos. And the reason why it's at the bottom of my list and I rated it as worst is because yung formula niya, it doesn't really freeze your lashes. As soon as you apply it, mga less than a second, nagdo-droop down na yung lashes ko. And I don't like mascaras like that because parang wala lang siya change on my lashes. It just basically coated my lashes, but it didn't really do anything. And also, the wand of it is just too big for me. It's such a jumbo type of applicator that it's too big for the eyes, especially Asian eyes. Not only is it big, pero yung bristles niya napaka-small. Kaya for the formula and the applicator, I'm not a big fan of it at all. Now for the next mascara, unfortunately, nasa worst category din siya. And this is from Sunny's Face. This is their Lash Lift Mascara. But second to worst lang siya dahil gustong-gusto ko yung wand niya. But yung formula niya is pretty much similar sa Avon na mascara. It really didn't do anything on my lashes. It just coated it. It didn't really lift my lashes. It's slick. Okay, yun yung gusto ko sa lashes na to. And even the Avon one, both of them, hindi siya clumpy na kind of mascara. It made my lashes slick, but it did not freeze and hold up the curls that I wanted to. So, because of that, ekis yung mga mascara na to sa akin. Yung wand niya, gustong-gusto ko siya because it has a short end bristle and a long end one. So, yung short end bristles, that's the part of the wand where you use to apply the mascara on the lashes. And the longer end naman is what we use to comb out the lashes para hindi maging clumpy yung mascara and so that our lashes look slick. Sayang lang yung pera nyo dito because it's for 595 pesos, guys, and it doesn't do the job. For those who are interested to try the Sunny's Face Lash Lift, wag na. Okay, pass kayo dito, guys. For the third mascara, nasa gitna siya because it's not really that bad and it's also not really that good. Although, I did rave about this mascara years back until I discovered the next 2 mascaras na i-mention ko sa inyo. But anyway, eto muna yung pag-usapan natin. So, the mascara that I'm talking about is from L'Oreal Paris. So, this is their Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. I actually have a bunch of this in my inventory because I used to love this mascara a lot. The reason why I loved this before is because it can really hold up the curl of my lashes and long-lasting talaga yung curl ng lashes ko from day to night. I don't have to touch up my lashes because it just can't hold up the curl for that long. I actually did a wear test of it. So if you want to see the video, it will be right here. Yung negative side ng mascara na to is that it gets clumpy. And then, by the way, I used to love clumpy lashes, but ngayon, hindi ko na siya gusto. It does really give that lashes yung clumpy effect. It can make your lashes look really thick and volumed, and it can also lengthen your lashes. And it's also clumpy siya sa wand, which can make it hard to apply on your lashes kasi it sometimes ruins your eyeshadow or your eye makeup. And also yung formula niya is a little bit on the wet side. It can be a little tricky to apply on your lashes, especially if you have a really good eyeshadow going on. It won't really give that clean, slick lash effect, but more on the thick and more clumpier side. If you're a fan of that, I know in one of Kim Kardashian's like Vogue makeup video, she said she likes clumpy mascara. So, depende talaga sa preference ninyo. By the way, yung price ng Lash Paradise is for 599 pesos. So, parang 600 siya. A little bit on the pricey side, parang bumibili ka na ng foundation, but it can do the job. Although, ayun lang, yung effect niya on the lashes can be a little bit clumpy. Now for the best mascaras, they fall under one brand, and the brand is K Palette. So I have two mascaras from them, and I love these mascaras a lot. Ito yung One Day Lash Up mascara nila. So it comes in two variants. So meron tayo ng volumizing mascara and we have the lengthening mascara. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung One Day Lash Up mascara ng K Palette because kahit bago mo lang siya bukas or paubos na yung mascara, it can still do the job and it can really pull off the effect that I'm looking for my lashes. So yung gusto ko talaga is lengthening, one that can coat my lashes, one that can freeze my curl for the rest of the day so that I don't have to touch up my lashes, and gusto ko yung slick and clean looking lashes. So napupull off talaga yon ng K Palette One Day Lash Up mascara, and it's actually the mascara that I'm wearing right now. Of the two variants, yung go-to ko is yung pink one. The pink one is the lengthening mascara, and mas gusto ko yung lengthening kesa sa volumizing because maliit lang kasi yung lashes ko, so I want something that's lengthening talaga. So if you have small, tiny lashes like mine, then I recommend the pink one, so One Day Lash Up mascara. So this is their lengthening version. But if you're already blessed with long lashes, I recommend the purple one, which is the volumizing one. Out of all the mascaras that I've mentioned, these two are the priciest ones. So these cost for 945 pesos each. I know, masakit siya, but it's so worth it because it super duper does the job, especially if you have stubborn lashes. It can, you know, freeze the curl of your lashes and long lasting, and it's so clean. You know, it really does the job and it suits my current preference. I can say my lashes can be a bit stubborn, but I found the mascara for me. Ayan, so these are the 5 worst to best mascaras that I've tried as of late. I will update this video as soon as makapag-try ako ng mga bagong mascaras. So anyway, if gusto niyo pang tumambay dito sa channel ko, I have my playlist ready right here. So if gusto niyo mag-marathon ng mga lip swatches ko, a playlist will be right here. And dito naman for my Shopee haul. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. If you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.